Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tochi. If you are new, please subscribe down below if you would love to join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys know I really appreciate the support on my channel. So in this video I will be doing a first impression unboxing kind of video of a Ghanaian skincare brand that is new to me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The Ghanaian brand I will be reviewing today is the Naquari skincare brand. Naquari is not an English word, it's actually a word in Twi, and the word Naquari translates to truth in Twi. Naquari is an organic skincare brand. I think this is the most organic skincare brand I have ever come across. They take the word organic very seriously, okay? From the content of their products to the packaging of the products, okay? All the content, all the ingredients they use to make their product are things you can find anywhere, literally. You're sure of what it is, okay? Not that you hear something like glycol or propanol or something like that, but then there are things that have been given to us by nature. Also, the packaging of their products, okay, they come in either glass jars or wooden containers or wooden jars, even everything that they literally pack everything with. For example, the box I have here that contains their products are wood, so it's either wood or glass, like literally nothing else, okay, comes into their packaging. So this is the brand I will be reviewing today. I've heard so many good things about this brand, so I'm really excited, okay, to be doing this video and also to be trying out their products. So before I get into the products, okay, I want to clear a particular myth. People always think that with organic skincare products you get results slower than you would get with the inorganic skincare product, and actually this is not general. For example, myself, I've tried organic skincare products in the past before, and I actually got my results faster than I would have gotten it if I was using an inorganic skincare. Some people also think that organic skincare products are milder and they don't work for them, and actually that is not true. Like I said, people have different skin, so if you have this myth or you thought like this, please, I'm here to clarify that, okay, it is not true. Try organic skincare products for yourself. For example, my skin is very sensitive, so I do prefer organic skincare products to actually inorganic skincare products. Anyways, enough of the chit chat. Let's get into the product. So in the MIDI box for her, which is what I ordered, you get 2 black soaps, which I got the neem oil black soap and the activated charcoal black soap, both 100 grams each. You also get a shea butter, 100 grams. You get 1 lip balm, which is I think of 5 grams, 4.8 grams. You get 1 facial oil, okay, which is let me confirm, 50 mils. You get 50 mils of product, okay, and in addition you get 1 satin bonnet, 1 facial towel, and 1 exfoliating body sponge, and 1 pencil, which I probably would not use, but it's an addition. And then you get this nice box that you can use for interior decor in your house. Wow. So in addition to the MIDI box for her, I actually ordered their 3rd black soap, which is the Shea and Baobab oil. This I ordered for my body, and this is 150 grams. Now let's talk about the products themselves. The neem oil black soap and the activated charcoal black soap, on their website it says that it's for uneven skin tone, which I have, acne prone skin, which I have, and oily skin, which I don't have. The skin on my face is actually normal to combination skin, and then from my neck downward I have dry skin. I have tried the neem oil black soap, however I haven't tried the activated charcoal black soap, so I would not be able to talk about this, but I will be reviewing the whole product again towards the beginning of next month, so please watch out for that. Let me talk about the cons first of all. This is actually very hard, you guys. This is hard, okay? I had to wet it with water for it to get softer. Then I was be able to scoop it out. But even after wetting it, it was still hard to scoop out. So I do wish that this came with some sort of like a wooden spoon to be able to scoop it out, okay? And all that. But aside that, I love the fact that, okay, generally when I'm washing my face with black soap, my face feels, you know, more cleansed and all that. In addition to that, my skin felt, I don't even know, like tightened, sort of. It felt really smooth as well. The skin tightening felt like my pores were kind of like, let's say, closed up, okay, which I really loved about it. Something that I would almost get with my holding toner, okay. My pores felt, you know, tightened and all. My face felt smooth, and also my skin felt really clean. So this, I will give a thumbs up to that. Like I said, I haven't tried out the activated charcoal black soap, but I'll talk about this in my other video next month. So please subscribe and watch out for that. All right, the last black soap is the Shea and the Baobab oil, which I got from my buddy. This I actually liked. It wasn't so different from your regular black soap that you can find in the supermarket. Okay, my skin felt really cleansed. I really love black soap on my skin. That's just my preference. But in addition, I love the fact that this had some nice scents to it. My bathroom smells really good. However, please don't think that is so different from your other, you know, black regular soap. So this I would definitely give a thumbs up. Okay, cool. The next thing we'll be talking about is their shea butter. Now their shea butter, you can get the shea butter with ginger and moringa oil. There are other shea butters. From their website, you can also get the aloe vera gel shea butter. You can also get the avocado and almond shea butter as well. So the 100 grams retails for 40 Ghana cedis, while the 200 grams retails for 70 Ghana cedis, but I got the 100 grams, okay? This I haven't really tried, so we're going to try it out together. So this has a plastic lid, okay, not bad, okay. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like shea butter, like it has that ori smell. Ori is shea butter in Yoruba. Yeah, and then it smells, I can smell the ginger. Definitely. Oh, this is soft, guys. This is really soft. It feels like it's been really whipped well. Oh yes, oh my god, it's moisturizing and it's oily. I love that fact that it's oily. During the Harmattan, I don't use anything apart from shea butter on my skin because of how dry the weather can be. Shea butter is the best moisturizer for your skin and also for your hair. I highly recommend that. This smells really nice. I love the packaging. Like I said earlier, it smells really nice. It's really soft and it's really moisturizing as well. So I'm really excited about this. I will give this a thumbs up as well. So the next product I'll be talking about here is their lip balm. Guys, generally I love lip balms, okay? There is not a single lip balm in this world that I'll probably not like. However, this I really love because it moisturizes your lip. It has shea butter in it as well. It moisturizes your lip, and because of the oils that they have added into this, you kind of get a shine in this, which I was really happy about. Okay, so I really do love this lip balm. The only bad thing is that because it kind of gives you a shine, guys might not like this. I'm sure girls would really love this, and it also smells amazing. This retails for 20 cedis if you're buying it alone. All right, the last product inside here is their facial oil. Now on their website, you get tons, you get a good range of the facial oil. They have shea oil, even though I wouldn't put shea oil on my face, but it's part of their oils. Shea oil, baobab oil, moringa oil, vitamin E oil, argan oil. Which other oil do they have? Let me check. They have sweet almond oil. They have jojoba oil as well. So like I said earlier, so they have shea oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, moringa oil, baobab oil, and argan oil. Like I said, argan oil. So yeah, that's what they have. I wanted to try the moringa oil specifically, and the reason is because moringa oil has a lot of vitamin C. It's actually also said on their website, yeah, they said that on their website that moringa oil is rich in vitamin C and will fade black spots and scarring, which will improve the skin complexion. So I was really excited about this particular oil. However, I was skeptical about it because I've tried facial oil in the past and I didn't really like it. I personally didn't just like the way it sat on my skin. I felt it was too heavy on my skin. It didn't break me out, however, but I felt like my skin did not really absorb it. But this particular one, when I was trying it at first, it felt the same way. So it felt thick and it sat on my skin and I was like, oh yeah, another facial oil. But within 15 to like 20 seconds, my skin just opened up, took up the oil, and I was literally glowing. I would recommend moringa oil. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. However, I have to pause because I could give it a 12 out of 10. So I'll be reviewing this again beginning of next month to actually see if it fades out my scars and if it actually brightens up my complexion a bit. Okay, so yeah, but this, I love it. I love the fact that I love the way it sat on my skin. Basically, that's what I would say about it. So I think we're coming to the end of this video. The other things here is a satin bonnet. Okay, let me open it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks like. Oh, they have this nice thread to it. Open up. Yeah. Oh, this is really big. I love it for my braids. Oh yeah, it's really big. Like it can really expand and take in a lot of hair. And it's satin as well. It feels really nice. The material feels nice. A facial towel, and then a exfoliating body sponge. Let's talk about the pricing quickly. The MIDI box for her retails for 150 Ghana cedis, and this retails for 25 Ghana cedis. Now, in the MIDI box for her, if you want to get the MIDI box for her, it comes, the facial oil option you get is either the shea oil or the baobab oil, and then you get it for 150 Ghana cedis. But in the past, I have tried shea oil and baobab oil before, so I wanted to try a different oil. So I told them I wanted the moringa oil instead. But since this is more expensive than the shea oil or the baobab oil, I had to pay a little bit extra than the 150 Ghana cedis. So in total, I paid 180 Ghana cedis. So that brings me to the end of this video. To order this product, if you are in Ghana, you can easily check them on Instagram, send them a DM, or send them a WhatsApp message. Their WhatsApp lines are in their bio. You can also order through their website as well. If you are in Nigeria, you can order from their website. Naquari actually ships worldwide via DHL. Naquari also retails at Utopia Beauty in Nigeria. So you can order from Utopia Beauty if you don't want to order from Naquari's website if you are in Nigeria. If you're outside Nigeria and Ghana, like I said, Naquari ships worldwide via DHL. Very easy. Just order from their website, pay with your card, and sit down and have it delivered to you. I personally love everything I've tried. Okay, today, like I said, I'll be reviewing this product later on next month, so watch out for that video. I think I'm done here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you have tried out Naquari. Also comment down below your thoughts about organic skincare brand and inorganic skincare brand. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, please, if you have not subscribed. Like, you come here, you watch my videos and you don't subscribe. Come on, girl, guy, period. Please subscribe to my channel. It will be really appreciated. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm the type of girl you call